I didn't choose a camera angle for any of this. I just flew and decided later where the camera was looking. The pitch is simple: fly first, frame later. This is the Antigravity A1, an 8K 360 drone that's trying to change how we shoot aerial video. And today I'm not doing the usual specs and vibes review. Instead, I'm giving myself a challenge. 1 flight, 5 cinematic shots, and I'm only allowed to aim the camera in editing. I'm going to capture a sequence that could work as a full reel, a YouTube intro, and a cinematic B-roll pack from the exact same session. Shot 1. The classic orbit. Normally, you're constantly correcting framing. Here, I'm just keeping the movement clean because the framing is a decision for future me. You can select your subject in the goggles, hit record, and the drone will automatically circle it. Shot 2. Spiral ascend. This is where 360 shines for reveals, because you can reframe the climb later, showing the entire subject from the bottom to top in every angle. You'll also find a preset for this in Sky Genie, which makes capture easier. Shot 3. The flyby, often called the Comet effect. With normal drones, this is already a popular move. The A1 can do it too, but with an extra twist. You can stack in a spiral and even finish with a tiny planet moment, all from the same clip. Capture tip: keep it straightforward. Ascend above the subject on a clean line, then do the creative camera moves and little planet view in the edit. By the way, if you're into creative experiments, real-world camera techniques, and practical gear reviews, especially from a creator's point of view, make sure to subscribe. That's exactly what this channel is about. But now, back to the video. Shot 4. A flyaway reveal. Here, I'm using Sky Path mode, where you draw the route in the app. This is especially useful if you're flying near objects and you want a safer, repeatable line. You can plan it carefully, save the critical points, then the drone flies the path with a steady, continuous pace. Shot 5. Subject tracking. This is where you learn if the drone is helping you or if you're babysitting it. With Deep Track, you select yourself or your subject, and the drone follows as you move toward or away from a location. Obstacle sensing helps, but you still want clean spacing and predictable movement. Flight done. Now comes the part that actually matters. This is the real product, the edit. You take one clip and export it as 5 different videos, even in horizontal, vertical, close-up, and wide framing, without reflying. I can decide, do I want a wide cinematic establishing shot, or a tight follow shot, or a vertical moment for shorts, from the same flight. If you've used Insta360 style reframing before, this will feel familiar because the whole ecosystem is built around that idea. You can edit on your phone or on your computer. Besides Deep Track and manual keyframes, Sky Genie effects have built-in presets that make editing close to automatic. For mobile editing, the Quick Reader is genuinely useful. Your files are available without transferring or downloading them to your phone first, and you'll find presets for these shots. Or you can copy everything to your hard drive and edit on desktop.
If you'd like to see a deeper breakdown of the editing process, either on desktop or mobile, let me know in the comments. I kept this one short on purpose, just to show how fast and easy it is to create content with the A1. But if you want a full workflow tutorial, I'm happy to make one. For a complete deep dive into the anti-gravity system, check out my full review right here in the top right corner. And if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more 360 and aerial content, and I see you in the next one.